Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI, and today I want to show you the UGG Sheepskin and Suede Cleaning Kit. This is a great product if you have UGGs or if you have any suede product that you need to clean, especially in the winter times when you go outside and it gets dirty with dirt or even snow, water. This is perfect for you. My daughter and I have UGG boots and we wear them in the winter time. They're really cozy, but the one downside to it is that they get dirty really quickly. So it comes with the protector. This is a protection against rain, snow, dirt, and stains. You just have to spray it into your sheepskin or into your suede boots, 6 inch from your product, and then let it air dry for 24 hours to make sure that they are fully dried and that the protection will be at its best. And it also has the instruction right in each bottle, which is really helpful. The second thing that it comes is the cleaner and conditioner. Use the brush first to get any dirt from out of the boots, and then you just put this in a little sponge or any cloth, clean cloth that you may have, and you just scrub it into your boots to get all the stains out of your boots and let it air dry. And then it comes with the third, which is the Sheet Renew. It cleans and deodorizes the insoles. You just have to spray the inside of your boots or your shoes, and it's gonna leave a nice clean scent in them. So you can use this daily, which is great. I'm sure you're gonna benefit from it, and you're gonna like it as much as I do and get everything nice and clean. But that is just my point of view.